In this video, we'll discuss how to properly connect and disconnect the snowblower to a Summit compact tractor. For additional information and operator safety instructions, please see the machine's owner's manual and operator instructions for details. First, place the snowblower on a level surface. Then carefully drive the compact tractor forward to the attachment, aligning the snowblower mounting linkage with the tractor's front mount. Keep in mind, the two rear hooks on the snowblower mount must be raised enough to go over the top of the crosstube mount on the tractor. To do this, raise and block the rear of the snowblower so the hooks are slightly higher than the crosstube if necessary. When aligned correctly, continue to drive forward slowly until the rear of the snowblower mounts contact the crosstube. Now stop the engine and exit the compact tractor to connect the snowblower to the tractor. Route and connect the hydraulic hoses to the tractor quick couplers, and make sure the hoses are connected correctly for proper operation. Connect the hoses as follows. Connect the hose from the chute rotation motor left port to the hydraulic quick coupler. Connect the hose from the chute rotation motor right port to the hydraulic quick coupler. Connect the hose from the lift cylinder rod end port to the hydraulic quick coupler. Connect the hose from the lift cylinder base end port to the hydraulic quick coupler. Now pull the hydraulic hoses tight so the hoses do not contact the wheel. Tighten the hose clamp to secure the hoses. Once the hydraulic hoses are correctly installed, enter the compact tractor and start the engine. Now move the joystick lever to slowly raise the snowblower until the mounting holes are aligned. Once aligned, stop the engine and exit the compact tractor. Now install the lift pin through the mounting brackets and install the retainer pin to secure the lift pin. Next, connect the snowblower PTO shaft to the tractor PTO. Once everything has been connected, start the engine and test the snowblower functions to ensure everything is connected and functions correctly. To disconnect the snowblower, first, park on a level surface and fully lower the snowblower so it's flat on the ground. Then set the parking brake. Stop the engine and disconnect the PTO driveline. To do that, retract the collar and pull the snowblower PTO driveline off the tractor's front PTO shaft. Place the PTO driveline in a location so it will not be damaged when the snowblower is removed from the compact tractor. Now remove the retaining pin and remove the lift pin from the mounting bracket. Loosen the hydraulic hoses so there's some slack over the tire. Then using the compact tractor joystick lever, extend the snowblower lift cylinder until the mounting frame rotates away from the tractor's mounting tube. Now stop the engine and release the hydraulic pressure in the system if applicable. Then exit the tractor. Then disconnect the hydraulic hoses from the couplers, installing caps and plugs on the quick couplers to prevent debris from entering the system. Place the hoses securely on the snowblower for later use. Please note, if needed, block the rear of the snowblower in this position so the hooks are slightly higher than the crosstube for disconnecting and reconnecting later. Now slowly drive the compact tractor away from the snowblower, disconnecting the snowblower from the tractor's front mount.